What's going on, you guys? In today's video, we're gonna be doing something fun today. Yes, we are going to be doing a burnout in the 2019 Dodge Charger RT. First, I want to show you guys a little mod that makes this capable, and it's gonna make this real easy to do, and that is gonna be the Zautomotive TaZer. Now, before we go over what's gonna make it easy to do a burnout, let's show you guys one of my favorite features. This is something that's bothered me on the car ever since I've owned the Charger here. It's something that just every time I've seen it, you notice every time you're driving, you always notice it every time you turn on the turn signal. Yes, it's just the turn signal. This is something that's always been like a pet peeve of mine, something that's always just, every time I've seen it, I'm just like, oh, I don't like it. I don't like how it looks. It does this on a lot of new cars these days. Obviously, the car has LED running lights on it, and on most new cars, whenever the running lights are on, you know, you're just driving around, it's a normal day out in the sun, and whenever you turn on the turn signal, it'll always turn off that LED running light. And it's something that's bothered me so much on this car, and mostly every car. Every time I see it on another car, it's like, it just makes the car look so terrible. When it turns off one light for the turn signal and yet the other one's still on, it just bothers me seeing it like that. So this is one thing that the TaZer has fixed for my car. You can see, we'll start it up. As you can see, we got the two LED lights. Obviously it's a bit sunny out, you can't really see it, but you can see the light there, and over here, the light here. And every time that, you know, you turn the turn signal on, it'll turn off the LED light around there. And now, another cool thing you can do with the TaZer now too is you can roll down the front windows from the key fob, which is really awesome. As you can see right there, you do unlock, lock, and then you do like unlock a bunch of times, and as you can see, both the front windows have gone down. You can only do it while the vehicle's running, from what I've gathered so far. But it is cool, something cool that you can do if the vehicle's running. But I'm trying to show you guys that little turn signal feature. You can see we'll turn the turn signal on. You come over here and look at that, beautiful. Look at that, that's so awesome. I love it so much. Right there, you still got the LED light on and the turn signal is still on. And as you can see over here, there it is with just the LED light. I know this is not a big deal, but this is something that has bothered me so much on the car ever since I got it, because you see it every time you're in a turn lane or you're just going around driving the car. You see it in the reflection of the car in front of you, and you always see it turn off, and it's like, and I love this right here. Like, look at that, that just looks amazing. Now that the LED light stays on whenever you turn on a turn signal, it's the best thing ever. Honestly, definitely worth the $60 I spent, so now it does this. And yes, it was only 60 bucks for me, because all I had to do is buy the double bypass kit, because I already had the TaZer from the Challenger. So when you come back here and you look, I have the TaZer right here, you guys. I have the TaZer kind of wired right up in there. This is what the TaZer looks like. Just a little Zautomotive TaZer, their website right there. But I mean, it's super easy install. I didn't feel like making a video on it, because I mean, there's already a bunch of videos on how to install the double bypass kit. I literally watched a work play drive video on how to install it. It was super easy. All you have to do is take out this mat thing right here. There's a control box up in there. You literally plug in 2 wires. You come back here, you plug in wires right here. See, here's the little wires for it. You plug in a fuse in there, and you put a ground in right there. I mean, it's super easy, and now you have another OBD2 port. You plug that TaZer in, because on 2018 and up, there is a new security module with the car, so you can't plug it into the OBD2 port in there, which sucks. But I mean, 60 bucks. I already had the TaZer from my last car, so I was able to just install the double bypass kit, and boom, now I have a TaZer. So there you guys go. There is kind of a new mod for the Charger. Obviously, my favorite feature is the turn signal lights. You can also do like light shows and things like that. There we go. Unlock, lock, and unlock. And see, as you can see, we are doing a light show now. Go to the next one. This one's probably my favorite. I think it's the third one. I don't like that one that much, but this one right here, it totally looks like a cop car, which is very illegal, by the way. Not allowed to do it, but it does look really cool. Come back to the back, show you guys what it looks like back here. I've actually never looked at it from the back. Definitely got like a cop car look there, just flashing those lights right there, back and forth. Just turn it off by pressing the lock button, and there you go. So there's just a couple of little features that the TaZer can do. I have a full video going over all the features. My old car, my 2017 Challenger that I had, you can definitely get a lot more features, because this car already has a super track pack, so it already has a lot of the features that the TaZer can offer. I would definitely say the best cars for the TaZer would be either a V6 base model car where you can turn on a lot of the performance pages and things like that, or a scat pack, because if you get a scat pack and you have the TaZer, you could turn on all the track modes and all the SRT modes. Otherwise, since this one is a 5.7 Hemi, I haven't tried it. I know from their website that if you have a 5.7, you can't turn on all the track modes and stuff like that. They don't work, or you just get like an airbag light. But as far as for this car, since I already had the TaZer, it really was, you know, all I had to do was buy that little kit, and now it is installed on the car. Now that I've shown you my like favorite feature of the car as far as appearance goes, let's show you guys some of the fun features. Let's try out the line lock with the charger. This will be my first Burnout with the charger, so this will be pretty fun. Let's go try it out. Oh my gosh, you guys. First off, really easy to do a burnout in the Charger, that's for sure. Like the RT, easy to do a burnout. Here's the carnage from it all. Like, look at this. I definitely went through like a lot of freaking tire right there. Like, I feel like I just burned off a couple thousand miles. I tried doing it a couple times because I just really couldn't get it right, to be honest. Like, every time it'd shift or something, because when you let off the little button to let the car go, it takes like a good solid, like, I don't know, I would say like 10 seconds for the car to actually launch off when you release the button. But dang, was it crazy. Like, the car was super easy to do a burnout, first of all, and second of all, like, I probably suck at it, but damn, like, that is some crazy stuff right there. Like, look at all that. Like, that's some insane amount of rubber. I probably just destroyed my tires. Let's go take a look at them. They were pretty big, but the other two, I was trying to do it to where it just sound right, and holy crap. Oh dang, I actually did it on the line, the white line. I didn't realize that. Oh dang, I'm sorry about that one right there, but I got like a little white wall looking thing going on. Definitely a lot less tire tread there. Really sticky though. These tires would probably be really good for like the track or something, because I definitely, you can see there, definitely went through some tread, but really sticky right now. So I kind of want to do a little launch. Let's get this other camera off and let's get on out of here. So it wasn't exactly how I wanted to. I mean, I've never done a burnout in this car, so I still got to try to kind of figure out how to do a good burnout. But doing it with the line lock, all you gotta do is hold this button, and then it'll like start flashing on the screen. You hold the brakes, then you let off this one right here, and then you can do a burnout. And then when you let off this one, the car releases and goes forward. But it does take a little bit of a while once you release it. Like, you'll still be sitting there for a little bit going. But otherwise, it was really cool. Hope the footage looked good for you guys. But let's, since our tire's a little bit sticky here, we're gonna go here and let's do a launch control, because why not? We're gonna start it up a little bit higher here. Let's do 3,000. Activate launch control. Let's get in a lane here so we're not on the white line. Activate launch control. brake. I think you go like this, and you go. So there you guys go. There's how easy it is to do a burnout once you get the TaZer with the line lock. I mean, it's got me sweating here. Definitely doing it. Sucks, I kind of probably went through actually quite a bit of my tire. I mean, that was a lot of rubber there on the road, but definitely worth it. I hope it looks good. I really wanted to get like a cool thumbnail from it. So there you guys go. There's a burnout for the car. I wanted to also do this for 10,000 subscribers. I wanted to do this a little bit earlier, but I did just get the TaZer last week, so, or more or less the bypass kit. I finally bought the bypass kit, so yeah, I mean, there you guys go. I hope that's it's kind of my little 10,000 subscriber thank you guys. We're at like 10,600 now, so sorry a little bit late. But then again, thank you guys for watching, and thank you guys for 10,000 subscribers. I honestly never thought, you know, one day I'd get to that. I just made videos for fun. Figured why not do them? I bought the car, why not, you know, have fun with them? Definitely a big thanks to you guys for the support over the past year or so. Definitely. I love this car, man. It sounds so good with the mid-muffler delete. But yes, thank you guys for all your support on all the videos, and definitely trying to expand, do some more like reviews and things like that. So if you guys want to see any reviews on just like random cars, I mean, I got all the cars at the dealership that I work at, so I got, you know, access to vehicles. If you guys want to see any particular car, I'm really wanting to get a Corvette. We've had a couple Corvettes come in, but I really want to drive one. I've never driven a Corvette, and that's honestly kind of what I've been thinking about. Like, I really want one sometime in the future. I'd really like to film a review on that, but there you guys go. There's like, I guess, like kind of a quick overview of the TaZer for the Charger. Definitely a great mod. Really do like it. I love how it looks. Like right now, I can see it in the car that's in front of me. I can see the TaZer. I can see the you know, light flashing and everything, and I love it. That's one of the things that always bothered me with the car, new cars in general, and I like that it fixes it. But thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the burnout. It's really fun. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button, like the video if you'd all thought the burnout was cool, or at least sounded good. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.